ZipBooks, features, strengths, weaknesses. ZipBooks targets small businesses, particularly freelancers and startups, seeking free or very low-cost accounting software. Its key features include invoicing, expense tracking, basic reporting, and time tracking, all offered in a clean, intuitive interface. For invoicing, you can create and send professional-looking invoices, set up recurring invoices, and accept online payments through integrations like PayPal and Square. Expense tracking allows you to categorize expenses, upload receipts, and automatically import bank transactions. Reporting, while limited in the free version, provides insights into profit and loss, balance sheets, and sales tax summaries. Time tracking enables you to monitor billable hours for accurate client billing. ZipBooks is designed for businesses with simple accounting needs. It excels as a basic solution for managing invoices and tracking income and expenses without the complexity of a full-fledged accounting system like QuickBooks. A major strength is its free plan, which allows unlimited invoices, customers, and vendors, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious users. Its ease of use is another significant advantage, requiring minimal accounting knowledge to navigate and operate. However, ZipBooks also has limitations. Its reporting capabilities are rudimentary compared to more robust software, lacking features like cash flow forecasting or detailed financial analysis. Inventory management is not available, rendering it unsuitable for businesses dealing with physical products. Payroll integration is limited, often requiring third-party solutions. Scalability is a concern as businesses grow and require more advanced accounting features. While the free plan is appealing, the paid plans can feel expensive compared to competitors offering more comprehensive features at similar price points. Customer support can be inconsistent, with response times sometimes lagging. In summary, ZipBooks is a solid choice for very small businesses with simple accounting requirements, especially those needing free invoicing and basic expense tracking. Its intuitive interface makes it accessible to users without extensive accounting experience. However, businesses with complex accounting needs, those requiring inventory management or in-depth reporting, should consider alternatives. While it provides a good starting point, its limited scalability and relatively high cost for advanced features might necessitate a switch to a more robust solution as the business grows. Ultimately, evaluate your specific needs and long-term growth plans before committing to ZipBooks.